Every few years, the smart home industry rediscovers the same idea. Take a normal light switch, make it unnecessarily complicated, lock half the features behind a cloud account, and somehow make it larger than the electrical box it's supposed to fit inside. But every now and then, a product appears that feels like it was designed by people who have actually installed electrical hardware before. This is the Shelly Mini Gen3, a tiny Wi-Fi enabled smart relay that adds remote control, automation, scripting, Matter compatibility and smart home integration to existing electrical devices without replacing your switches or rebuilding your house. The smart home industry has a serious problem. Most smart switches are massive, overpriced, cloud-dependent, or somehow manage to be all three at once. But this tiny little module might actually solve that problem. Meet the Shelly Mini Gen3, a ridiculously small Wi-Fi enabled smart switch designed to fit behind existing wall switches, sockets, and electrical boxes without requiring you to redesign your entire house. And when I say small, I mean tiny. This thing is only 29 by 34 millimeters, but despite its size, it packs in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, scripting support, MQTT, webhooks, scheduling, Matter compatibility, and even dry contact switching. There's also Bluetooth support that allows the device to act as a BLE gateway for other Shelly devices. Plus, it can even function as a Wi-Fi range extender for IoT hardware in difficult locations. Internally, the Gen 3 upgrade brings an improved processor and 8 MB of flash memory, giving it significantly more flexibility for scripting and automation compared to the earlier generations. One of the best things about the Shelly Mini Gen 3 is just how simple the installation actually is. Unlike bulky smart relays that barely fit inside a wall box and leave you questioning your life choices halfway through the wiring, the Shelly Mini Gen 3 is genuinely compact enough to fit behind existing light switches, sockets, and other cramped installations without turning cable management into an engineering crisis. The wiring is also refreshingly straightforward. You only have a handful of terminals to deal with: live, neutral, switch input, and relay output. That means it can be installed in line with existing mains power devices while still allowing normal manual switch operation. So your lights, fans, or appliances can continue functioning exactly as they did before, except now they also have supported Wi-Fi control, automation, scheduling, and remote access. And because the relay uses dry contacts, you're not limited to just main switching either. Lower voltage control applications like gates, garage systems, or external relays are also possible, which massively expands what this tiny module can actually do. For installers and engineers alike, that combination of small size, minimal wiring complexity, and installation flexibility makes a huge difference. Because smart home hardware is far more appealing when it fits in the wall the first time instead of requiring creative use of force and bad language. So whether you want remote lighting control, smarter appliances, custom automation logic, or simply a compact relay that doesn't fight you every step of the way, the Shelly Mini Gen 3 is an impressively capable little device. Serious automation potential in a tiny module. If you want to get your hands on one of these, then head over to PartsToYou, where you can get this and other hardware perfect for creating smarter homes, automation systems, and connected electronics projects.